After all these years, with so many gifts given, what's the one thing that makes a gift truly special?
Let's see what the little ones want this year. Well now, this one asks for a toy. And here, a teddy bear. Aren't the gifts all pretty much the same?
Dear Santa, everything is perfect at home. The lights are sparkly, the treats are delicious, and everyone is so happy. But can Christmas last forever? Can you stop time with your magic?
I can't stop time, but I can create a moment that lasts. You don't just buy gifts, you create them. And in that moment, it becomes more than a gift. What sets a gift apart is never the object itself, but the heart and hand that crafted it.